In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this glass art in less than 5 minutes. Let's create a torus. We need the simple deform modifier to twist the mesh 1080 degrees like this. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. S and X to scale in the X-axis. In the front viewport, Shift-D to duplicate, and R90 to rotate it 90 degrees. I'll apply glass materials to both meshes. Shift-D to duplicate, and S to scale. Let's set up the render scene and add a background plane as well. For the background, let's add a metallic mirror material like this. I'll use the sky texture. I usually turn off the denoise feature, but I'll enable it for this render. I'll use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.